Welcome to my channel. In this video you can learn how to create a wand from a wizarding world like this. What makes it special that can produce light, and when we turn off that light that goes out slowly. And we also can change the LED that produce light, and we can change the batteries. If you haven't subscribed me yet, please subscribe and join with us. Let's go to the video. First, find an old TV remote that uses AAA batteries and cut off this part of it. Then glue these parts together. Then build the circuit according to the circuit diagram you see. Then glue these circuit parts together. Leave a part to put the batteries in and cover this part with cardboard. Cover the lower parts like this. Adjust the parts to be connected to the LED so that they come to the top. When you connect the LED and press the push button, you can see how it emits light and slowly goes out. Now I painted this and put a hole to insert the batteries and put two pieces of jumper wires to connect the LEDs. Now let's see how it works.